Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the topic hydrosphere and we have the subtopic ocean currents for the class 9th standard of the date 8th July 2020. Coming to the first question children, what is stream and drift? Yeah, even though the question is repeated, it is very important where it is also going to be taken in our higher class, 10th class also. What is stream and drift? What is stream and drift? Yes. Coming to the stream, first one. Just now we are going through about the pictorial pact. Just imagine this is a major river and it have n number of tributaries. And these tributaries are the flow of the major river which is diverted to nearby areas. What type of areas? Completely about the agricultural lands. So where we call it as a stream, the flow of the water in a wide range. What is the meaning of wide? Wide here in the sense a complete expansion, not like a narrow. Clear children? It is complete expansion pact where we call it as a stream. Coming to the drift, or else first we go through the sentence formation of the stream. The stream here in the sense the ocean currents which flow speedily, or the river water, the ocean currents or the flow of the water simply which flow speedily are said to be as a stream. Coming to the drift, as it is quite opposite to the stream children. Stream is about a wide area whereas the drift is about narrow area, the flow of the water in a narrow space, and the ocean currents which flow slowly. Which flows slowly is said to be as drift. Clear children? We are moving to the next question now. Coming to the second question, what is mean by transportation? What is meant by transportation? In general terminologies children, what is the meaning of transport? Moving from one place to another place. Either we or the raw materials or the goods are moving from one place to another place. So in the same pattern, here coming to the climatic conditions, the movement of the water through atmosphere or winds. Movement of the water through atmosphere in the sense air, winds, through winds is called as transportation, specifically from ocean to land, from where the water is moving or the winds are moving. It carries about the water molecule, the winds carries about the water molecules from oceanic part to land. Clear children? And transportation is differ, evapotranspiration is differ. Don't get confusion. Evapotranspiration, the transportation part or the evaporation part which has been taken from living organisms, are called as evapotranspiration. And coming to the transportation, the word transportation indicates the movement of the objects from one place to another place. In a climatic conditions, what is the object here? The winds are moving about the water, where we call it as transportation. Coming to the third question, What are isolines and isobars? What are isolines and isobars? It's not bars, isobars. Clear, children? Coming to the isoline. A line joining the points in the a line joining the points. A line joining the points in the ocean having same degree of in ocean having same degree of salinity are called as isolines. And what about the isobars? A line joining points. Yeah, the second one is about isobars. A line joining points on the sea bed at an equal vertical distance on sea bed at an equal vertical distance beneath the surface is called as isobars. Clear, children? I hope you understood the answers. Have a nice day. Thank you.